Hello friends, how are you friends? I think you all are fine. I'm also fine. So welcome to our channel DK Education. So today we will start our new topic, and we have covered some topics in previous videos, like relation between V and E, V and I, and that's resistivity, formula for resistivity, conductivity, and Ohm's law. Some definition also and current. Now we do a new derivation and new formula in this video. That is J is equal to sigma E. You know that sigma is conductivity and E is electric field in anywhere, and G is the current density. So that there are three names of that formula to derive: that microscopic form of Ohm's law, vector form of Ohm's law, and there is a relation between sigma and current density. There are three names. So let's start our topic. And अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना. So relation between sigma. So we will write in microscopic form. We can write that Ohm's law or vector form of Ohm's law. So there are three names of that. The meaning of these are same. So we will write formula for it. You know that Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, V proportional to I. That is Ohm's law. Now we write formula. मैं आपको पहले बता दूं जो फॉर्मूला ड्राइव करना है वो होगा J इज इक्वल टू सिग्मा E. ये फॉर्मूला जो J I think that is sigma conductivity, resistivity, and that is vector quantity or no, that I think that is not vector quantity. So see, conductivity is a scalar quantity. I think that so that is a scalar quantity. So now we have to assume. Let us assume a L length wire and a cross-sectional area. Cross-sectional area of course is the same as it is that, and V volt battery and I current flow through wire and velocity of electron is Vd. That is Vd. We take some assumption. I current, that is I, and that is Vd. So we assume that, let us assume a length wire. So we have diagram here. A wire, L length wire, A is cross-sectional area, L is equal to length, and that is connected to a battery, V volt battery, and this V volt that was negative, and I current flow through wire, and Vt is equal to that. Because current is in opposite direction of flow of electron. So Vd is the electron flowing, so that is opposite direction. So now we know that relation between I and EA with D. In some of most of derivation this formula is useful, and that VD formula, VD is equal to EV2. Now put the value in this equation first, then we take that formula, and I upon A is equal to J, sigma is equal to, we take an N square A upon M, that is sigma. So next I is equal to N E A into A V2 upon M. So N E square A V2 upon M. So यहाँ पर लिखते हैं N E square. So जो हमें कांस्टेंट टर्म लेनी है, क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पर कंडक्टिविटी का फॉर्मूला बनाना है, तो कंडक्टिविटी वाली जो टर्म है उसको एक साथ रख लेंगे. N स्क्वायर टू A स्क्वायर अपॉन M. That is the formula of sigma and V tau upon M. So E, what is E? E is equal to potential on any potential of battery and L length. So V upon L is V. So here electrical and tau we can I J बन जाएगा ये, एंड N स्क्वायर A टो अपॉन M. जो टो है वो बनेगा, ये फॉर्मूला इसमें आएगा. सो I is equal to N स्क्वायर A टो अपॉन सिग्मा एंड A यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. हमें यहाँ पर लेना है A सिग्मा एंड V अपॉन L इज E, J is equal to sigma E. So that is the formula come from that, because we know that N E squared M E squared upon is equal to some sigma, and because we know that conductivity or resistivity is reciprocal, and we study resistivity is not depend upon A and L, so there is no presence of A and L in this formula, because conductivity is depend upon only the temperature and the nature of material. So that is formula for sigma, and E we know that V upon L, so there is a formula come from that, and J and sigma we can write here that J is equal to sigma E. So or we can make हम और भी बना सकते हैं इसके फॉर्म. देखो ना कैसे बनाते हैं, देखना. E is equal to J अपॉन सिग्मा, और सिग्मा की फॉर्म में भी ले सकते हैं सिग्मा is equal to J अपॉन E. There are many formula comes from that. The new formula of sigma, that is J upon E. In numerical it will be useful. So वीडियो एंड करते हैं. तो वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना.